This massive clearance fifth wheel has 2 full-size bathrooms and a 13-foot garage. This is a 2022 Fuzion 430. She's weighing in at 15,915 pounds dry and 44 feet 11 inches in length. This one in particular actually just sold like yesterday, but we do have one more of these out on the lot. I'm not touring that one because it looks like this outside. 3 total awnings on this honker. We got 2 on the side here and then 1 in the rear. We also have a backup camera mount. We got our backup LED lights, ladder to our fully walkable roof so we can check our solar and our caulk job, some frameless tinted windows, and then we got a gas pump in here. That's right, gang, fill up your gas and then pump up those toys. This garage door here can be lowered with ease. Bada bing, now you can easily drive your toys right up this ramp and into your garage. You can remove these 2 doors here to give yourself plenty more space if you got some bigger toys like a golf cart or a go-kart. Usually these are pretty heavy, but it's incredibly easy to lift this one. I can do it with 1 finger. Even Meemaw could lift this thing. That's because it's got the 0 gravity feature. And it's also very easy to change this into your rear patio deck. Wowie zowie, such ease, such convenience. Let's head on to the inside. We're actually going to enter in through our garage here. This is our rear entrance. On the floor, you see we got a staircase, a railing, a carpet, and a table. It's pretty messy in here. This staircase is actually going to go out on your patio deck. That'll get you up and down there. This carpet will be rolled out in the garage if you want to use this for more of a living area. And then directly above all this, we have a Happy Jack bed system. Let me show you how that bad boy works. Over here on the ceiling, we have a series of switches. That's our awning. We got lights. This is our Happy Jack bed control. We're gonna hit down on that and hold it. All right, you see how the top one stopped independently of the bottom one? That's because these work as bunk beds as well as dining seating. So I'm actually gonna move this table, fold these out into some chairs and show you how it's all set up. Bop. Now you got a dining room back here. This one can be raised all the way to the ceiling to give you some more headroom while you're dining if you need it. And then both sides actually have some secret cup holders if you totally want to ball out back here. Sitting on the top bunk here, you see we got a TV directly across from me. Above that is one of 2 ACs, which can be controlled independently throughout the coach. We got some stereo audio speakers on our ceiling. Those will be controlled by the sound system up front. RIP to my knees. Getting too old for that. We got a bathroom here. This is one of 2 full-size bathrooms, and that's right, it's a porcelain foot flush down there. We also got a small bathtub, great for washing the feet of the dogs, and then full standing shower. A ton of headroom in here for the tall fellas. Okay, we're gonna head around the corner through our nice glass door, very elegant, into the kitchen and living area. Oh yeah, 3-burner gas stove, nice big High Point residential microwave. This thing is quite glamorous. Decent amount of space in this oven too, not shabby. Got a nice big double door refrigerator here. This thing will run off electric and gas. Plenty of space inside that john. Right behind me, we have our little peninsula area here. Decent amount of counter space. Cutting board covers over our sink, and these are undermount sinks, so it's very easy to wipe the crumbs and the nasties into the sink. A lot of cupboard space, especially over here. Good amount of pantry space, a lot of depth. And then up top, we do actually have a hidden mother-in-law suite. You'll get a ladder that'll climb up there for you. Up here, you see we got our at-home theater. It's also in view of our kitchen, so whoever's cooking won't miss a second of the movie or the big game. Nice soft fireplace here. Customize your colors, make it nice and elegant, nice and romantic during the movie. The chairs on our right are dual theater recliners. They each got 2 cup holders. They each got a little spot for a tray as well. And then we got heat, massage, and LEDs here. Over here, we have a nice little sectional. The ones on the ends here are also theater recliners. They have the same exact features as these ones here. Here's that sound system I was talking about earlier that connects to the speakers all throughout the coach and the ones outside. And I always forget to mention this. A lot of our campers have this. This is a road vac. It's built right into the stairs. Just hook up your hose, fire that bad boy on.
Listen to that suck.
We're gonna head up the stairs and take a sharp left into our ensuite bathroom. Another porcelain foot flush down here. Knock just to make sure. We got a seat in our shower this time. Little soap caddy here. That's probably the best feature out of any camper we have. Finally, we're gonna go through this door of our ensuite bathroom. Nice, big, beefy king size bed here. This bad boy is going to lift up on hydraulics to reveal plenty of storage underneath. Over this way, we got our mirrored closets, great for watching yourself sleep if you slide it that way. Tons of space in here. It's got your precious washer dryer hookups. And then we got another closet on this side. No washer dryer, but there is a great size wardrobe. You got a pop light up top. And then finally across, we do have one more TV above our little dresser area, so you can watch movies in here as well. So if you want to get your hands on the very last Fuzion 430 toy hauler in stock, please give me a call. The number is in the bio.